today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a New York baked cheesecake. I'll be using my rubber coupe and I'm going to use it to blend these biscuits. I'm using a digestive biscuit, but you can use whatever you feel to use, but that's personal preference. What we're going to do, we're going to put our biscuits in here. So here I have some melted butter. Just go ahead, pour your melted butter, or just make it as soft as possible. So what we're going to do, we're going to combine this, because this is our base. The next thing what you can do, you can make a simple sponge to put at the bottom. But all of this is personal preference. So here we have our baking pan. That's the one I'm going to use. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some butter on the inside. I'm just going to use my finger and just go around here with some butter. The next thing, what I'm going to do, just get your grease paper. And just line around the side. So what I'm going to do, just take my scissors and cut it from here. And after that, what you're going to do, you're going to get your mixture and you're going to pour it in. Now, however thick you want the base, you can make it, but it's all going to down to personal preference. So just get a spoon. So now the base is ready. So now I'm going to take it to the second phase, is to make the filling. So to make the filling, the mixture, I'm going to use cream cheese, which is I'm using Philadelphia, but you can use a cheese of your choice. So this is about 600 mil or 600 grams. I mean, I'll be using a cup of sugar in this. So with this, you can use a whisk, or you can use a spatula here, or you can use a mixer. So I will start it with the whisk and see how it goes. Depends on how the mixture flow. So now the mixture is a bit soft up. So I'll be using about 4 eggs in this. Okay. I'm just go ahead and add like 1 egg at a time. I'm just using the whisk to show you if you're making it at home, which I'm at home making this. You can either use your mixer. I already take the mixer out, but I just feel like using my hands. So I'll be adding some more eggs in. I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Evaporated milk, I'm gonna put about 100 ml evaporated milk in this. You can use heavy cream, depends on what you have. I'm gonna go in with about 3 teaspoons of corn flour. If you have regular flour, you can use it. Personal preference. So lemon, I'm gonna add some lemon in. So it's about 1 lemon. I'm squeezing 1 lemon in. gonna add a pinch of salt in this. So now this is ready. I put it in the fridge to relax a bit. I'm putting some foil around this. And we're gonna go ahead, just pour your mixture straight in. What we're gonna do, pour some hot water in the tray like so. We're gonna put it in the oven, bake it on 130 for about 30 to 35 minutes. Ladies and gentlemen, see you in a bit. So now the cheesecake is out. Look at that. I'm gonna let it cool and I'm gonna show you how to make like a syrup, or I'm gonna use some mixed berries. So in this I'm using frozen berry. I'm just gonna add a bit of water to it, and I have some sugar in it also. Just a bit of lemon. Not much. That should be alright. And I'm gonna let this boil and reduce and make like a syrup just to go with our cheesecake. And this is one of the best cheesecake you'll ever have. Look at that. Tell you, this cheesecake is so nice. I just can't stop. Look at it. Look at that. Look at that. So after this boil for some time, depends on how thick you want it. If you want this a little bit more body, you can just put this into a blender and blend it out. But for me, I'll leave it a bit like this.